Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with Alex. Today, we're diving into a very useful word that you probably hear every day, because. Because is a conjunction, and it's used to show the reason for something or explain why something happens. In other words, it means for the reason that or since. Let's talk about how because fits into everyday language. For example, you might say, I stayed home because it was raining, or she's happy because she got a new job. It helps us link ideas by giving the reason behind them. Without because, we'd struggle to explain why things happen. Some synonyms for because include since, as, and for the reason that. You might say, I'm late since the bus didn't arrive, or he left early as he had another appointment. These words are very similar, but because is the most common in spoken English. Now, let's look at a few antonyms. While because explains the reason for something, words like despite, although, or even though introduce contrast rather than cause. For instance, she went to work despite feeling sick, or they stayed outside although it was cold. These words shift the focus away from the reason and highlight unexpected outcomes. In everyday life, because pops up in all kinds of situations. Imagine you're explaining a decision. I chose this restaurant because the reviews were excellent. Or perhaps you're sharing your feelings. I'm excited because we're going on vacation next week. It's a powerful word that makes your speech and writing clear and connected. Here are a few more examples of because in action. He didn't join the game because he was tired. We love this park because it's quiet and peaceful. She succeeded because she worked hard every day. So, to sum it up, because is a simple yet essential word that helps us explain why things happen. It has synonyms like since and as for variety and antonyms like despite and although to highlight contrasts. Try using because in your conversations today to explain your reasons clearly. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, I have a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using because and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the power of words.